Hello, in this video we're going to look at the functionality of the desktop app. It comes with loads of great features to help you quickly and easily find and use the materials and resources available on ESL KidStuff. Okay, so I've opened the app and logged in, and what we'll do first is using this up here at the top, we'll open the app up to full size. Let's start by looking at the language switcher in the top right corner. You can see we've got US and GB. US is for US English and GB is for British English. So by making this selection, you'll be able to see the materials in that language, which means that when you select it, the materials will show with the vocabulary and the grammar and the pronunciation, the spelling of that particular English language. So it's a good idea to make that selection when you first open the app, and then the app will remember your selection. So every time you open the app, it will always show as that language. So let's run through a couple of examples just to outline this. Let's go into worksheets, and you can see here colors, coloring. This is the spelling in American English. I'll change it to British English. And we see colors, O-U-R, coloring. So the worksheets within this section will all have the British English for the word color. For example here, color the cute fish. I'll change it over to American English here. And you can see it's changed to the American spelling of color. We also have British English and American English voices on the audios and videos. For example, let's go to the readers and let's go on to fruit salad. And this is US English, so I'll play the video now.
ESL KidStuff. Classroom Readers. Level 1. Fruit salad.
Okay, and let's compare that to the British English version.
ESL KidStuff. Classroom Readers. Level 1. Fruit salad.
Okay, so you can hear the difference in pronunciation there. Now let's look at navigation. So on the home screen, you can see we've got these 7 icons, and these will take you to the main sections of the site. So for example, if I click on flashcards, and we're in the main flashcards page. You can always get back to the main page by clicking the ESL KidStuff logo in the top left corner. We're back again. On the left side, you've also got the same categories that are shown on the main page, so you can quickly access them on the left side of the page. Let's go into worksheets, and the final navigation that helps you get around the app, you can see in the yellow box here, these are the breadcrumbs. So for example, here we've got home, so we get back there, go back to worksheets. Worksheets will take you to this category. So if I go through some folders, for example, animals, sea life, and I'm in the sea life section, you can see all the links going back again. So you can quickly go through here. So if I want to go straight back to the worksheets, I'll click there. Next up is the file view. Let's go into flashcards, and you can see all of the folders here are shown as large thumbnails. But up here you can see we've got a little lines and dots, and this is a selector to change the view. So we can click it and it changes it to list view. So that gives you quicker access if you know what you're looking for and you just want to quickly find something. So for example, if I go on to clothing, and we've got the other ones, let's go into clothes, and here you can see all of the flashcards are just shown in the file view. If I click on the grid view, up they come, and you can see the actual pictures. And that's the same in every section on the desktop app. Okay. Now let's look at how we can download, view and print files. So here we've got some worksheets, and if I just want to open this worksheet, A to E letters, I can double click it and up it pops. Then simply go into print and you print the file off. Now, say I want to open a a few worksheets at the same time and print them off, then I can just hold down the Control key and select the worksheets that I want. And then just on any of them, right click and click on Download and Open. Okay, so they've downloaded and you've got different tabs here. So here's the first worksheet, the second, third, fourth, fifth. So they're all up in the tabs, and then you can go through and print them all off. Finally, let's deselect. If you want to print all of them off, you just right click, select all, and then download and open. And here they all are in the different tabs. So that can save you a lot of time rather than on the website having to go through each individual one and print them off. It's the same also in different sections. For example, in the lesson plans, let's look at the syllabus, the full syllabus lesson plans. Let's go into the Golden Bears, 9 to 12-year-olds. Let's go into the House and Home. Okay, so you've got a PowerPoint and a PDF lesson. So I'll open the PowerPoint. And you just need to click OK. And then read only. And the PowerPoint file opens up. Close that. And then let's try for the PDF. There's the PDF version. They're ready to print off. Again, same. And click print. Okay. Let's have a look at videos. We're going to songs and we'll just choose the Head, Shoulders, Knees and Toes song. Okay, we've got song audio and videos. We'll check both the audio and the videos. So let's double click here. Okay, so that's opened up in its player and played there. And it's the same for the video.
Shoulders, knees
and that's downloaded and started to play. One of the great advantages of using the desktop app is that you can actually download any of the materials or resources on the app and then use them when you're offline. This can be helpful if your classroom doesn't have an internet connection. So before class, you can download the resources and then take them into, say on your laptop, take them into the classroom and you'll have them ready to go. So just to show you how that works, you'll see that we're in the worksheet section here for body and all of the worksheets have a red dot. So that indicates that the worksheets haven't been downloaded onto your computer yet. They're just on our server. But if I open one of the worksheets, for example, the clown one here, okay, it's opened up. I'll just move it out of the way and you can see it's got a green dot. So that now indicates that you're seeing it, but also it has been downloaded onto your computer. Let's just go with a couple more. There's one there. And let's select, use the selection key. I'll download those. And there they are. And I'll close that. So we've got the green dots. We can do it also for songs or videos for the readers. So let's try one video here. Here we go, Ben the Wizard.
ESL KidStuff, Classroom Readers. Level 2. Ben the Wizard.
And you can see we've got the green dot there, which indicates the video has been downloaded onto your computer. So now what we can do is see how that actually works. I will disconnect from the internet and reopen the app and should be able to see those resources available. Okay, so I'm now offline. I've disconnected from the internet. Let's have a look. I'll open the app and go into the first one, which was worksheets, body and health, body and face, body. And you can see the 4 worksheets that we downloaded. I can open them up and print them off. And then it was also readers, Ben the Wizard. And you can see the video there. I'll play it.
ESL KidStuff.
And you can see that it plays as it's downloaded a file onto your computer. Okay, we're back online now. And one quick thing to show you. So when you're downloading all of the materials, it might come to a point where you want to clear all of those materials from off your computer. And you can see at the bottom of the menu here, we've got clear data. So this is very simple. If you click that once, then all of the files that you've downloaded will be deleted from your laptop or your desktop, whatever you're using. They'll still be available online, so you'd have to go back and re-down them if you want to use them again. The next feature I'd like to show you is our search feature. On the home screen, you've got a search box. And say I want to look for all the materials related to parts of the body. So I can just type in body, and I can either select different categories, the lesson plans, flashcards, worksheets, songs, etc. Or I can select all, which will show me all of the materials that have body associated to them. So let's press enter, and it brings up the results. And on here, we've got all of the flashcards, worksheets. So we've got the folders first that show all the body flashcards within them. We've got some worksheets here. We've got the PowerPoints. You should have the songs inside there as well. So all this will show up in your search. Also within each category, so let's go to flashcards. Within each category, you've also got the search box. And by using that, it will search only within that category. So let's say we want to look for pilot. And enter. And there we go. We've got the flashcard for pilot. Double click and up it pops. Okay, the final feature I'd like to show you is when you actually close the app. So you can close the app down by pressing the red cross in the top right corner. And when you do, you're presented with a choice. You can close but stay logged in, or you can close and log out. So the difference here really is that if you're going to open the app the next time on the same PC, laptop, device, then it's best to choose close but stay logged in. So this means you don't have to log in with your username and your password each time you open up the app. However, if you want to use the app on other devices, maybe you've got a couple of laptops, then you'll need to re-log in on that device. So that in that case, you'll need to choose close and log out, and then you'll be able to log in to the app on the other device. I'll just quickly run through how it works. If I choose close and stay logged in, then the app closes. Then if I open it up again, you can see that it takes me straight back into the app and there's no need to re-log in. This time, I'll choose close and log out. The app closes, open the app, and I'm presented with the login screen, and I'll need to enter my login name and password. Okay, so those are the main functions of our desktop app. If you need any more information on the functionality of the desktop app, you can see in the menu here we have a help and information button. I'll just quickly click that, and it will open up the help page on our website. So you can scroll through and use the tabs here: getting started, app functionality, app main sections, and questions. Also, if you have any specific questions, feel free to leave it in the comments below. Thank you.